Team Kotoko is out from the tunnel coming for their warm-up. As you can see, the players trooping to the field. You can see Fabio Gama in a prayer mood. Navigator on his way to collect the ball over there. You have the likes of Mudasiru, Mano Jamfi, you have Bahab Adams, Sarkodie. The goalkeepers we can see Kwame Ban and Abalura, and Danlad also going there. They are here to face Interallies. As you can see, Interallies are doing their warm-up. They came before the Kotoko players. Now Kotoko players are on the pitch for the warm-up. So enjoy the warm-up. This is Fablo Zone for Porcupine by Porcupines.